In this session, we are going to set up and make adjustments to our keyboard in order to properly navigate through the system. So I've got Mochasaw 5250 up on my desktop, and I'm going to click to open it on the upper left-hand corner. It says open. I'll get a window that shows the IP address of the AS400 host, and I'll click OK. And hopefully I'll get a sign-on string. Here we go. So before we begin in setting up our keyboard, this is where we go up to Settings, click on Settings, scroll down to Keyboard Layout. Click on the keyboard layout, and it will show us on the left the PC keys on your keyboard and its corresponding 5250 function. So F1 is similar to F1 on the right for the 5250. So we're going to scroll down. The keys that we're looking for is, the first key is we going to use is the field exit key. So I'm scrolling down, and I'm going to make the enter key, which is the enter key is located to the right of the keyboard. My enter key is located to the right of the keyboard by the numbers lock. And that's the key that I have. If you'll notice here that I have enter highlighted, and up here to the right says field exit. So, and that's what I have. If I wanted to change it, then I can just go down to the right and change that to something else. And let's say we want to change it to enter. So we want to make that also an enter key. So if I hit the enter key twice, you'll notice up here it did change it to enter. So, but I want to go back and put it to field exit because that's how I had it. So I double click on that. And so my enter key to the right of the numbers pad is my field exit key. I click it twice, it shows up on the top, and I go save the file. Now I go back into my keyboard layout. The next key I want to look for is set up is a dupe key. And the dupe key on my keyboard, I am setting it up as the plus key. And by clicking on the plus key, you'll see on the right it says it's the dupe key. So to find the dupe key on the right, there it is. I double click it, and that becomes the dupe key. So on the right hand side of my keyboard, on the lower right hand side, is the enter key, which is my field exit key, and above it is my plus key, becomes my dupe key. Now my enter key, or my return key, which is on the main keyboard, is my enter. So my return key is here, and you'll notice here it says enter. So I just scroll down and look for enter, and it's my enter key, and then it's saved to the file, and now we should be able to sign on. So those are the three keys that are important. So I'm going to sign on as demo. I'm going to hit my field exit key, and it jumps the cursor down. Hit demo again, and hit my main enter key, and I'm in the job. And I'll hit the one to take option 1 to go into estimating, hit my enter key, and I'm in. I go to 1 again for job detail maintenance, and I hit the enter key, I go again, and I'm going to scroll down and find the job, hit an enter key, and I'll look for job 7102128. And this is where the field exit key comes into place. 710128. And then I'm going to hit my field exit key, see if it works. And it right justifies the field, and it does work. So once following this tutorial, you should have no problem with your keyboard setup. If you do, feel free to call me or send me an email. Thank you.